Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting a clean sheet ready. Open Drive, select New, then Google Sheets, name it so collaborators find it. Once done, set sharing to editor or specific people. This avoids accidental locks. Next, import a CSV or paste your raw data into the first tab and make sure headers are in row 1 for formulas to reference. You'll save time later by formatting headers now. Bold, freeze row 1, and apply simple number formats. You're now cleaning and structuring the content. Start with filter views so everyone can sort without changing the master. Then normalize columns, trim spaces, split text to columns if needed. Use formulas like SUM and average for totals, VLOOKUP or index match for joins, and array formula to apply logic across rows. Once done, add conditional formatting rules to highlight outliers or blank cells. This helps you spot issues fast and prevents errors before you build charts or dashboards. You finish by turning clean data into deliverables. Build pivot tables and charts, then lock critical ranges with protected sheets so formulas aren't overwritten. Share the file with specific roles, choose comment for reviewers and editor for those who must change data. If collaborators report wrong numbers, first check formula ranges and named ranges. Next, confirm no one changed header labels. If a sheet disappears, review version history to restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.